I'll now show you how to connect your MetaQuest 3 to the computer. Use the original MetaQuest link cable, that is, the USB-C cable, and connect it to the computer. Once you've done that, we'll switch to the MetaQuest. Go to the settings of the MetaQuest and select Link. Here you have the option at the top to activate or deactivate the USB-C cable connection with the green check mark. I will deactivate this option because I want to establish a connection to the computer. Once you have done that, it will load a bit more and you will be connected. Now you can play all the MetaQuest Link games that you have purchased on your PC via the MetaQuest Link app. Search for many different games in the MetaQuest Link app in the store and add them to your library. You can establish a wireless connection by clicking on the link and then selecting the desired computer with which you want to make an AirLink connection. Then it takes a little while again and you are in the usual VR environment. This gives you more freedom of movement, but the battery does not last as long because the MetaQuest 3 consumes a lot of power, like many VR headsets. Exit AirLink and go to the settings. Select Link there. Here you can see all connected computers/devices as well as network bandwidth, channel width, Ethernet connections that are connected to a network by the computer via LAN cable, and also the Wi-Fi signal strength.